Hi everybody, and welcome back to another video in the Instagram bot series. Today we've created 3 new functions, and what we're basically doing in these functions is finding the followers of a specific user and then performing a range of actions. So this first one is called define like user followers, and basically what it does is it likes the first 3 posts of the newest followers of a specified user. So let's just run it first so we can get a better understanding of how it works. So we are going to put in the rock here and let's run that. And then we're just going to get a list of followers. And with this list of followers, what we're doing in the function is we're saving it to a variable called users. And from this variable users, we're iterating over each user with a function, which is the like function. So we're going to like their first 3 photos for every single user. Yeah, there we go. So it's working really good. Nothing wrong there. And let's just have a closer look at the code now. So what we're doing is we're passing in 2 parameters to this function. The first one is the user, and that's going to be the user whose followers we get, or whose followers we are targeting basically. And then we also have a limit here. And now the limit is the amount of followers we want to target at once. So I've set that to 30, but of course you can change that to whatever you want. And in the function what we're doing is we're saving that list of followers to a variable called users, and all we're doing is running this function on the users variable. And we made this function before, and it basically just for users, it likes their photos. And if we look at the next one, it follows the exact same pattern, the same layout. So it saves the variable or saves the list to a variable called users, and then we just run comment users posts over the list of users with a specified comment though. So in this function we are passing in the user and the comment that we want to comment. So we have a look at that in action. We have Kevin Hart for real here, and the comment we want to post is a little smiley face. So if we run that, we should comment a smiley face on the 30 newest followers of Kevin Hart. So now we're just saving the followers to a variable, and we should skip this guy because he has no posts, or actually his account is private, and we will skip this account too. The private account. Hopefully the next one is not private, so we can just see it working. Okay, and it should comment a little smiley face here. And post. Perfect. Now I'm just going to take it away quickly though, because I don't really want to comment that. And let's just make sure, let's just check once again. So we leave it. It should comment, and it does. Let's remove that again quickly, and let's close this down. So we can see that that's working really well, and there's nothing more really need to do there. And the last function we made is basically the same as the first 2, except we're just following the users now, and we're just using this function instead. So I will run it quickly so you guys can see how it looks. But it's practically the same, except we're just following the users now. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we followed the user successfully there. Let's just check to make sure it's working properly. Let's follow one more user. Okay. So something else I forgot to mention is that we are actually running smart follow instead of follow. So we are only going to follow the user if they are following more people. If they are following more people than they have followers. That's why we're going to skip some users. So we should end up following this user actually. Okay, so we're actually going to have to fix something. Going to have to edit something in smart follow check. So what we're going to have to do here is say try and do that, but if you can't, if it doesn't work, then we are just going to pass over the user. So let's just try that again now, and let's see if it works. Okay, so it's working perfectly now. Working really good. So that's all we need to do. And yeah, so the next function I'm thinking of building is going to be a function which gets a list of users who've liked a certain user's latest post. So for example, if I were to open Instagram up and go to Kevin Hart's Instagram, our function would get a list of people who like this photo. And this is going to be especially powerful because say you have an Instagram account which is a niche account, for example basketball. What you can do is go to another basketball account, for example Basketball Forever, and then you can get a list of users who like basketball content and who are more willing to like that content. So then you get a list of people who are more active, so it's really going to help with your growth. So yeah, if that sounds like a good idea, just let me know and I'll do that. But yeah, anyway guys, thanks for watching, and yeah, peace.